Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to surrender Indian passport after Canadian citizenship. First, we need to open our web browser and write down here how to apply surrender Indian passport. Here you can see BLS India, surrender of India citizenship. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now I open that link. Here you can see home page, surrender of India citizenship information. India Citizenship Act 1955 does not allow dual citizenship. If you want, you can read all the information. Application fee. Here you can see after 1st June 2010, here is the fee you need to pay in Canadian dollar. Document requirements. Here you can see checklist. Click here. Here you can see checklist which documents we have need for surrender Indian passport. Submission of application online. Prepare and collect documents required for the surrender certificate application. All documents must be self-tested by applicant. Printout of the application form filled online. Indian passport original and copy. Canadian foreign citizenship certificate. Canadian foreign passport. Proof of address, driving license, photo ID issued by the provincial government, utility bill, phone bills, bank statements are not accepted as valid address proof. Fee. We need all these steps for apply our surrender certificate. If you want, you can read next one, but here is the case of lost Indian passport. Processing time. Here you can see processing time minimum 8 weeks. Forms. Online application form. Click here. Here you can see before you apply. If you have a login ID with BLS, then you need to directly open, enter login ID, password, enter characters, display and login. If you do not have an account with BLS, then first we need to register. Click here. Embassy. Here we need to select embassy, which one is near to you, like Ottawa, Toronto, Vancouver. I click here because Vancouver is near to me. Given name, surname, date of birth, email ID. Do you want your login ID to be the same as email ID? Yes. I click here. Login ID is same with my email ID. Password. Confirm password. Hint question. You can drop down here and select anyone. And hint answer. Enter characters displayed. Here you need to enter characters and click on register. After that, you can see thank you for registering on the Passport Seva for India Embassy portal. To active your account, please click the link in the email sent to you your email ID. This link will be active on until here is the date. Now we need to open our email ID and we can see link. Congratulations, you have been registered successfully on Passport Seva system. Here you can see the link. Click on here. Here we need to enter our ID. Account activation. Your account has been activated successfully. Please click on home. Click here. Now you need to click on user login. Login ID, password, enter characters. Here you can see applicant home. Here we need to apply for surrender of Indian passport. We need to click on this link. Click here. Application form for surrender of Indian passport. Passport detail. Fill the required detail as per Indian passport. Passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, India. Surrender detail, reason of surrender, applicant nationality, Canada, foreign nationality date, foreign passport number. Fill the required detail as per Canadian passport and click next. Applicant detail, given name, last name, gender, date of birth, place of birth. Is your place of birth out of India? No. State, district, marital status, education. Visible mark, if you have any visible mark then you can write down here, otherwise write down here no. Click on save. Your application form has been saved successfully, and then now next. Family details, fill the detail as per your Indian passport. Father name, father surname, mother name, mother given name and surname, legal grantor given name and surname if have, otherwise you leave this section. Spouse given name and surname, spouse nationality India, and if he has a Canadian then you select here Canada. Save. Your application form has been saved successfully and click next. Present address, is your present residential address out of India? Yes, out of India. Here you need to enter your present address in Canada, email ID, number, and click on save. Your application form has been saved successfully. Click on next. Emergency contact, name and address. Fill the required detail of the person present in Canada and phone number. Save and click next. Surrender certificate detail. You will redirect this page and click next. Surrender certificate application summary. You can recheck all the detail. If you need make changes then go back and make changes, otherwise you have to need click here I agree, place admittal, date and click on submit, and now you need to click on yes, all the detail is correct. Thank you. Your application form has been submitted successfully, and now you need to click on home for print your application. Click on home. Select your application and click on print application form. After print the application, now your application is done. You need to signature here and 2 photos, and after that you need to collect all the documents which are necessary for your surrender application. After receiving your surrender application, if you want to apply OCI, I already provide a link in my description box. I give all the tips and full detail related to OCI for adult and minor. If you want to watch more videos related to form, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching this video.